Hello, good afternoon, my brothers and sisters, especially in Bonny Kingdom. I'm Dabota Godswill Jumbo, currently the River State's APC candidate to the House of Assembly to represent Bonny Constituency. Today is Tuesday, the 17th of January, and I'm actually reporting from one of the collection centers for the PVC exercise as outlined by the INEC. I'm in Boyle Memorial School, a collection center for registered voters in Ward 3, Bonny Constituency. I've been to Ward 1, which is at the Women's Hall downtown. I've been to my ward, Ward 4. I've also been to Ward 6 at the collection center in Abuja. And honestly, it's so heartbreaking. It's sad to note and to say that the collection process is slow. The pace at which people are turning up for the collection is slow. In this center, for example, as of today, they still have well over 1,000 voters cards, just like is reported in other collection centers. Bonny have 12 wards, and I can tell you that most of the cards are still not being collected. Exercise was moved from the INEC office to the ward level to bring it closer to the residents of the people, so that people can have easy access to collection of their cards. But it's so sad, it's very unfortunate that we're still recording such a poor turnout of collection of PVC cards. So where is your right to exercise on the voting election process that is due to take place from next month, precisely February 25th and March 11th? I need to remind us again about the benefits of your PVC. Your PVC is your permanent voter's card. It gives you that authority to be counted in the number of those who are duly registered to vote. It gives you that power to take decisions as to who will lead you to that dreams and realization of those dreams for your constituency, for your country. You can't say you love Nigeria, you love Bonny Island so much, and yet you cannot even pick up that little card that will give you the right to exercise that power. Your voter's card also can be used as a solid form of identification. A lot of you do banking transactions and everywhere they ask you for a sample of your ID. Your voter's card is a well-recognized government ID. The benefits are enormous, but for this reason and for this time, we need you to please hurry up to the nearest collection center. This exercise ends at the ward level. Collection ends this coming Sunday, and you're yet to collect your card. Before you know it, INEC have confirmed to me that the cards are returning to Port Harcourt as soon as it ends on the 29th at the office level. It's sent back to Port Harcourt. Who knows? Maybe it will be sent back to Abuja where it was produced. Meaning, if you don't get your card now at your ward level, you might need to pay your way back to Port Harcourt to get it if you're lucky, or maybe to Abuja. I beg you, for the interest of our development, but our numbers will always count. For the interest of this constituency, to bring in the right persons, to vote in the right persons that will take you to the next level, please go and get your PVC. Hurry up, run with all the strength that you have, with that excitement and that passion, like that is being demonstrated in taking this extra step. I have taken a personal inventory of what is happening, and I'm not too happy. But I know we can change the story. If you can turn out here in the morning at 9 a.m. till about 3 a.m. when collection center closes, and also to know that Sunday they also show up from 12 to about 3. Please go pick up your keys. Remember again, my name is Dabota Godswill Jumbo, currently candidate to the House of Assembly come March 11th elections. God bless you, and happy New Year.